us again. This is the web series of Linux System Administration. Myself, Mansoor Hassan. I'm Solution Architect in Technologics. In the previous video, we discussed about the network management. In this video, we will see how we can work around with package manager. There are some ways we can install package. So the first way is package manager. So the package manager is by default equipped with the operating system you are using. Either it's Ubuntu, CentOS, Mac, Gentoo, or any other operating system you are using. They have their own package manager. So what is the package manager? Package manager contains all the required softwares. So another work with package manager is being done is it also install all the required packages and the binaries and the libraries, or you can say it will install all the prerequisite by its own. So in Ubuntu, we have apt as a package manager. So if you wanted to see what options apt offers, so you can use apt minus minus help. So it will gives you a list of options you can use. So list, you can list the package based on the name. You can search the package, you can show the package details, you can install, reinstall, remove, auto remove, so update, upgrade, full upgrade. So there are a lot of things you can do with the apt as a package manager. So you can list the package. Let's say we will see, and you can install. So how we need to install? So we can try to install a package using package manager, and then we will see how we can uninstall as well. So the way we can install package using apt is apt install. We can try installing AWS CLI. So it will download all the required binaries by its own and it installed it. So if we install apt CLI, so it gives a list of packages it requires to be installed. So it downloads and install by its own. You don't need to worry about from where these packages are coming, what if that fails. So package manager uses a repo list or sources list, which actually present under the etc apt sources.list, sources list.d. So from where you can define custom repository paths. So this is the automated way of installing packages. It start services by its own and also install the prerequisite by its own with the respective order. So this is the way you can install a package. If I hit the AWS CLI, it can gives me it will give me that the package is already installed. We can uninstall the package. So there are ways. If you don't know, so what you can do is apt minus minus help. So it will tell you the way you can uninstall the package. So there are two ways or three ways to reinstall or uninstall the package. Reinstall will reinstall the package. Remove the package. Auto remove actually remove all the unused packages. So we will use auto remove. So it's pretty easy. apt auto remove and the package name, which is AWS CLI. So it will uninstall all the required packages which are not being used after the installation. So it collect the list and remove all the required packages. You can purge the data. So there are other ways, other tasks you can do with apt as well. Like you can search the package. So it's pretty easy. Apt search AWS CLI. So it will give you that this package is available in this repo, focal repo, and this is the version it has containing. So you can locally download as well. So if you wanted to search a package like apt list AWS CLI, so it says this package can be found in focal updates repository. So you can list the package, you can search the package with the names. So this is one way. The next way is software binaries. you can download the software binaries from the internet and you can install it from there. So let me see what we have. Okay, so we can try installing the iptraf package. So we can go to internet and say download iptraf for in Ubuntu, or maybe you can use your own uh, Google Docs. So at the end, what you need to find is the binary package URL. So what you need to do is you need to grab this URL, go back to your terminal, use the wget utility to download this package. Once this package is downloaded, what you need to do is you need to see the package is there. So, to install the package from the software binaries, we use dpkg. So if you don't know dpkg options, so you can use dpkg space minus minus help. So it will gives you a long list of options to use. So you can go through with all those options and you can use accordingly according to your need. So at the moment where we just need to install, so we can use dpkg space minus I and the package name. So once we do that, it will automatically install the iptraf package. So if I hit the iptraf, so it gives me the UI of iptraf, and I can see the traffic is coming on my all interfaces. It's actually a network monitoring tool. So using dpkg, we install the package. The same way we can uninstall the package as well, dpkg. So you can use the minus minus help command to see other option as well. To remove a package using dpkg minus R is the option, and exactly the package name. So first you need to list the package. So dpkg minus L will list the installed package because you need the actual name of the package. So we will say dpkg space minus L iptraf and iptraf dash ng, because we installed iptraf ng. Slide my internet is stuck. So yeah, this is the package name we required when we were uninstalling using dpkg. First, we need to dpkg space minus L and the package name. Once we have the exact package name, what we can do is we can just issue a command dpkg space minus R and the package name that we get in the previous command. So it will automatically uninstall our package. So if we issue iptraf, we won't see it. The package is available. So the iptraf command is not available in neither the iptraf ng. So this is one thing we done. The third way, let me bring up the presentation. The third way is source code. Why we need source code? So whenever we install packages or software through these methods, they will install package with the default options. So let's say you need to install a package with some additional options or maybe some custom options. Maybe the options these packages are installing, you don't need. So whenever you are required to install packages with custom requirements, so we use source code installation. So it's pretty easy. You can download any package. So we will be using OpenSSH. Currently we have OpenSSH already installed, which is 8.2, but we required OpenSSH 8.7 P1. So you can go to over the internet and see how to install OpenSSH from the source code. Maybe you find some these kind of blogs, or maybe the video we are making. So we can follow the steps. So these are the when we were installing a package through source code, we need to create a build environment first. We need to install all the build packages or libraries that requires by the package. So first we need to install all the required in libraries and binaries to compile. So we need these softwares: build essential, zlib, 1g dev dash dev, libssl dash dev, lib pam 0g dash dev, lib se linux 1 dash dev, and wget. So we can copy these and hit the. I already installed all those packages. So then this SSH package also requires some additional configuration. It requires this directory to be created. So we can just copy and paste. I already created that directory, and then we need to change the permission. accordingly. So we can use these command very quickly, just copy and pasting. That will be enough. So we can verify with the screenshot they have provided. Then we need to add a user. Uh, we just need to quickly copy and paste the user is already, because I already installed once. So you can download the package binaries from here or maybe some other location of your choice. Then the this is the option which gives you ability to install your packages with the custom options. So we can go back to our terminal. We already did all our prerequisites. So what we can do is we can navigate to our directory. So this is the directory where we need to issue a command configure. So configure minus minus. I want my package to be compiled with minus minus with MD5 password. So I can create MD5 hash password and decompile them as well. So MD5 passwords dash with dash spam. So this is the option I would like to uh, add while I'm installing a package. By default, this option is not enabled, so we can compile our package with specifically with this option, and we can add other options as well. So we will be compiling. So this will take a while. Normally, when you are compiling packages through source code, it takes time because it compiles the binaries, it check for it runs the tests, unit testing or all those testing to make sure the package what we are compiling it's legitimate and it's required. And it also has some um, other options as well. So you can specify other options as well, like you can specify the path binaries, sys configuration directories. So you can define all those options you wanted to specify. So it's a little advanced way of installing softwares when it comes to a custom requirements. So I don't recommend if you do not have advanced requirements or custom requirements, don't go with this option because it's little complex. It sometimes fails, it sometimes breaks. So you need to do a lot of troubleshooting. So once it is done, so we can just issue a command make install and make install. So once you see that screen, that means without any error. So that means your package is successfully compiled with these options. So these are the compiler flags. So once this is done, so what you can do is you can use a command make uh, and then make install. So this will install your packages. So when I see this is the package configuration directory. If I wanted to see, so these are the binaries which we have. So this is the SSHD. If I use SSHD minus minus version, so I can see the same version that it directly has. So I can use this software whenever I need. So the last way is the pre-compiled binaries. I don't have any package, but there are some softwares. My SQL 5.7. It's a pre-compiled binaries. It's more like a portable software. So you install in a specific directory and you can just zip and ship anywhere. MySQL pre-compiled binaries. So you can download pre-compiled binaries. It's a pretty old method, by the way. It's also known as portable binaries or portable softwares. So you don't need to compile whenever it comes to the pre-compile. You don't need to compile the package, or you don't need to worry about the dependency. So it's the entirely portable package. You can just download the zip and extract the zip, and you can start using right away. I hope this video will help you to build your skills around Linux system administration. So if you like these videos, so don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel. Uh, YouTube channel link will be in the below in the description. So I hope you will like this video. Please share these video and don't forget to subscribe and click on the bell icon as well. Thank you for watching this video.